Welcome to our channel. This is Techie Ray. Today we are unboxing the Huawei Nova 7 Pro. This device comes with Kirin 985 with 5G processor. It's a new processor. How does it perform gaming and day-to-day usage? Everything review in this video. So guys, don't skip the video. Okay, first I'm open the box, then look everything. Okay, and it's 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of the internal storage variant. Now I don't know price, later I'm put the price in description. Okay, inside the box front side mobile phone here. Last 24 hours I'm using this device, feel quite good. More inside the box front side, one more mini box here, then AC adapter, then type C cable, finally headphone. Overall everything here inside the box. This adapter support 40 watts fast charging. Okay, let's look the phone side by side. First look the phone display. Display come with 6.57 inches Full HD plus resolution OLED display with waterfall curve finishing. Display top left corner side 12 punch hole here. Inside 32 megapixel the front facing camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera here. This specs and display size look like same Honor 30 Pro. Punch hole here on phone top left corner side. So you watch movie or play games, mostly you got full screen experience. Okay, let's look at the hardware and software. This device running on Android 10 based in EMUI 10.0. It's 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of the internal storage variant. This device running on Android 10 but not support Google services, example Google Play Store, Gmail and YouTube. But Huawei give you Huawei Gallery. It's available all applications, example TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, but not available Gmail and YouTube. You went to install Gmail and YouTube? Just download APK file and install. It's cool. Phone back made in glass, so it's easily pick up fingerprint smudges. It's not a drawback, just I'm tell you. Anyways, I really love this phone back design because compared to Huawei B40 Pro and Honor 30 Pro, it's very plain, but this device very shiny and very beautiful. Phone backside quad camera setup here. This Pro version main highlight 8 megapixel periscope camera with support 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom. Lately I'm show the camera quality. Okay, then phone right side volume rocker keys and power button here. It's orange color power button. It's looking different, right? And phone top side secondary noise cancellation mic here. No IR blaster here on phone top side. It's bad. Bottom side type support speaker grills and SIM card tray here. Let's look the phone processor. This device comes with Kirin 985 with 5G processor. It's brand new processor. Also the same processor used on Honor 30. It's working fine. What about you think guys? This processor support HD and extreme in PUBG game? Let's look. The answer is yes. This processor support HD and extreme in PUBG because it's flagship processor. It's not only guys, I'm playing some interesting games, Honor of the King and PUBG, swipe to swipe other game, no lag, it's run very smooth and very fluid. My personal opinion, this Kirin 985 with 5G new processor and all games support maximum level settings, also run very smooth as well as I'm play two games, one run on background also. Just I'm switch to switch, it's run quite good. Phone battery come with 4000 mAh with support 40 watts fast charging, 0 to 100% just 47 minutes. It's compared to 65 watts, it's much better. Let's look the gaming review.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay.